I added 2 eggs to 1½ cups of rice. Look at how delicious it is. I soaked the rice for 2 hours in ½ cup of water to make the grains softer. I'll beat the rice with the egg in the blender. This recipe calls for just a few ingredients and is delicious. Then I'll add 4 teaspoons of sugar and a cup of corn. And I'll mix these ingredients. Before I forget, tell me what city you're in to help me greet you. And finally, I'll add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and beat it lightly at the lowest speed. I'll grease this mold with butter. Use a lot of butter so the cake doesn't stick to the bottom. Now just pour in the mixture. I'll put it in the oven preheated to 350 degrees for 40 minutes. And our rice cake with corn is ready. This corn and rice mixture is delicious. Make it in your house and you won't regret it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you in the next video. Bye.